Reuters, Wall Street. A Euro trademark S major indexes paired earlier losses on Wednesday as higher U.S. government bond yields drove gains for banks and other financial stocks. Markets had initially fallen on a Bloomberg report that China, the world a Euro trademark S biggest holder of U.S. Treasuries, was considering slowing purchases. The S&P Financial Index (SPSY) rose more than 1%, helped by gains in Wells Fargo, WFCN, and JP Morgan, JPMN, ahead of results on Friday. The China report weakened the dollar, which slipped 0.25%, while gold jumped to its highest in 4 months. At 12:31 p.m. ET, 17:31 GMT, the Dow Jones Industrial Average (DJI) was down 13.51 points, or 0.05%, at 25,372.29, and the S&P 500 (SPX) was down 3.93 points, or 0.14%, at 2,747.36. The Nasdaq Composite (IXIC) was down 22.42 points, or 0.31%, at 7,141.15. A Euro trademark VE had a tremendous run, mostly unabated since Trump a Euro trademark S election in 2016 and with no volatility. If we do see a pullback, that a Euro trademark S going to be a buying opportunity, a Euro, said Michael Scanlon, Managing Director of Manulife Asset Management. The S&P and the Nasdaq have closed at record highs every single day in 2018, buoyed by optimism over global growth and expectations of a strong quarterly earnings. Earnings for S&P 500 companies are expected to increase by 11.8%, with biggest contribution from the energy sector, according to Thomson Reuters I/B/E/S. A Euroite will be the first time that corporate America has the ability to talk about guidance that incorporates lower tax rates. A Euro trademark S going to be confusing and noisy but will be fascinating, a Euro, said Art Hogan, Chief Market Strategist at B. Riley FBR in Boston. Berkshire Hathaway, BRKB.N, rose 1% after the conglomerate promoted 2 of its top executives, cementing their status as the most likely successors to Warren Buffett. 8 of the 11 major S&P sectors were lower, led by a 1.75% fall in interest rate-sensitive real estate and 1.24% drop in utilities. Splrco. Shares of Lennar Corp., LENN, gained 2% as number 2 U.S. home builder. Euro trademark S orders and total revenue rose more than expected in the fourth quarter. The Dow Jones Transport Index (DJT), often looked at as a gauge of the economy, a Euro trademark S health, rose 0.45% after United Continental, UALN, reported higher traffic for December, boosting other airline stocks. Department store operator Cola Euro trademark S, KSSN, rose about 3% after 2 brokerages raised their price targets. Declining issues outnumbered advancers on the NYSE by 1,786 to 1,077. On the Nasdaq, 1,624 issues fell and 1,264 advanced.